So if you go over to the column on the left, like I said, that's really the home of everything that you need. If you click on the connection section, this will take you to where you can connect your platforms into Tradecopia. If you go right here to the top right and click add connection, this is where you can see the different platforms that Tradecopia provides its services for. So it offers services for Tradovate, NinjaTrader, ProjectX, and Rithmic. I mean, this is basically every platform that prop firms use. So whatever platform you're with, it's basically here for you to connect and trade copy. So Tradovate, NinjaTrader, ProjectX, and Rithmic are all offered by Tradecopia. I don't know what more you guys could want. This is basically every single platform that prop firms offer. So if you have a prop firm account, you can basically connect it here unless it's some crazy platform that the majority of people don't use. All you're gonna do from here is select the platform that you wanna connect, put in your credentials, and it will synchronize the account into Tradecopia so you can start trade copying. So you can see right here, I have 2 accounts connected into Tradecopia right now. I have my Take Profit Trader accounts, and then I have a demo Tradovate account. And if you wanna block your credentials and just kinda hide things, you can just click the eye in the top right corner, and it'll take any sensitive information off the screen.